In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency in Xero. Managing your finances in a global marketplace means often dealing with multiple currencies. Whether you're invoicing international clients or you've just started operating in a new country, being adept at switching currency in your accounting software is crucial. Xero, a leader in online accounting, makes this process simple and intuitive. Let's walk through, step by step, how you can change the currency for an invoice in Xero. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the Xero website. It's here that you'll begin the process, so make sure you have your login credentials handy. Once you're on the Xero homepage, look to the top right corner of your screen and you'll find the login button. Go ahead and click it. You'll be prompted to enter your email and password next. Take a moment to ensure your details are correct to avoid any login issues. After you've entered this information, proceed by clicking Login. This will take you directly into your Xero dashboard, the central hub from where you can access all of Xero's powerful accounting features. Now, navigating through Xero to find exactly what you need can sometimes seem daunting, given its vast array of features. But fear not, for today our focus is solely on changing currencies. To start this process, head over to the Businesses tab. You should find this option easily available on your dashboard. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu from which you should select Invoices. Upon selecting Invoices, you'll see all of your business's invoicing activities. Here you're looking for invoices that are currently in draft mode, as currency adjustments need to be made before finalizing an invoice. Click on the draft to filter through to your draft invoices. With your draft invoices up, it's now time to locate the specific invoice you wish to change the currency for. You might have one or several draft invoices pending, so take a moment to click on the invoice in question to bring up its details. Upon opening your draft invoice, you'll be welcomed by various editable fields and options, including, crucially, the currency option. It's usually set to your default currency, but Xero offers a drop-down menu where you can select from a list of currencies. Go ahead and choose the currency that fits the bill, so to speak. After selecting your new currency, the final step is to click on Update. This action saves the changes you've made to the invoice, effectively changing its currency. It's worth noting that changing an invoice's currency after it has been issued can be a little more complicated due to accounting standards and practices. Therefore, ensuring you have the correct currency set before finalizing and sending off your invoice is essential. But there you have it, step by step, you've successfully navigated the Xero interface to change an invoice's currency. It's a simple process once you know where to look and what to click. Keep in mind, understanding how to manage multiple currencies in your accounting practice not only helps in invoicing international clients, but also aids in keeping your books accurate and compliant with global financial reporting standards. And just like that, you're now capable of smoothly handling currency changes in Xero for your invoices. Whether you're expanding globally or just starting to take on clients from different parts of the world, this knowledge will surely make a big difference in managing your finances efficiently. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. I hope this guide has made managing your finances in Xero a little easier, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video. Remember, mastering these tools is your first step towards streamlined, efficient financial management for your business.